coin. Behold the Ducky Varmilo Mia Pro. I have been so excited about this board for so long. I've wanted it. I almost got it before I got my Miko push, and I'm just going to tell you right now, it became my main key so fast. I love it. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's pink. It matches my desk mat, or would if my desk mat was clean. I love it. As soon as I opened the box, I knew this was going to be a really good keyboard. It just feels amazing. It comes with a cute pink cable that I didn't use, some extra keycaps that I didn't use, and this keycap puller, which I used a whole bunch. And nothing else. Anyway, so with all of these things out of the box, let's see what this keyboard is actually about. Notice what's not there? The case is plastic and it's beautiful color pink. The legends are artistic, I will give it that. I think they're okay. I'm not going to change the keycaps, but you know, they're all right. It comes with a back plate, heavy quotations. I think it's metal, but it's pretty. I really love the engineering on the legs. They're being rubber regardless of which way you have them set is a wonderful engineering move. The USB-C port is on the right side of the keyboard, which is an interesting choice. It works for me because of how I can run my cable, but I know a lot of people prefer them to be on the left side, so something to note. As I mentioned before, the legends aren't exactly my favorite thing in the world, but they are really pretty, and it's a really cool artistic choice, and it matches my aesthetic. It's not everybody's thing, but it's definitely my thing. Alright, let's try and pull this thing apart and see what's inside. The switches are the Varmilo Sakura switches, and I've wanted to try them for a really long time, and they sound amazing. You can hear it in the sound test later. The keycaps are thick, Dye-Sub PBT keycaps, and the art on the top sides is really pretty. I love the art keys. They're gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. The alpha keys aren't as thick, a couple less C's, but they do still sound good, and you can see a close-up of the legend. It's well done. It's just an interesting artistic choice. They've got the little leaves, little pink leaves. But I know, you're like, Mira, I want to see what's inside the keyboard. That's the whole reason I watch these videos. Take it apart for me, please, which is a really weird thought when you think about it, but fine, I guess I'll do that for you. You're welcome. Don't get too excited, though. Because it's moment of frustration time. Watch as I try and fail and then realize that I can't take the switch out. Why can't I take the switch out? Well, because I didn't read the product description and they're not hot swap sockets. I can't do anything with this board. In case you don't know, hot swap sockets are like the one pictured here. You can take switches out and put them back in. I can't do that. But maybe I can still take the board apart and at least show you what like a soldered board looks like, right? So I'll just take the screws out and they're not magnetic feet. They're literally glued on. I can't do it, y'all. I cannot take the board apart. I don't want to rip the feet off. It's not worth it. I'm so sorry. Maybe I can like take the plate off? Nope. I don't know why I grabbed this tool. I was in mad frustration mode at this point. Well, since I don't have naked keyboard content to show you, I'll try and type this message to my friend while I talk about hot swap boards versus not hot swap boards. I think that for this board in particular, having a soldered board is fine. If you know exactly what you're getting and you want this board and you're not going to try and rebuild it, getting a completely pre-built board is a fine choice to make. I, for purposes of the video, kind of wish I had gotten a hot swap board so that I could have just like done cool things with it, but I wanted this to be my main, and I'm pretty happy with it. And for the price point, you can't really argue. I mean, it's a nice board, it's a good pre-built, and I love it. It has become my main keyboard. I haven't stopped using it since I got it, except for one little bit where I shot another video. It's my favorite board right now. And now your favorite moment of all, the sound test. Thanks for watching our videos. See you next time.